Imagine running full Ubuntu inside Windows 11, no dual boot, no USB, no formatting, and it takes few minutes. Sounds impossible. Let me show you the official method that developers swear by. In this video, you'll install Ubuntu on Windows 11 using WSL, the fastest and safest way. By the end, you'll be coding, running Linux commands, and accessing the entire Ubuntu ecosystem without ever leaving Windows. A few years ago, I tried installing Linux for the first time. I messed up my partitions, lost half my files, and spent hours reinstalling Windows. If you've ever been scared of dual booting, trust me, I get it. That's exactly why WSL exists, and why this tutorial is the one I wish I had back then. So stay with me for the next few minutes. This will be the simplest Ubuntu install you've ever done. First, we enable WSL. Search for PowerShell, right-click, and hit Run as administrator. Now type this command exactly as I show it. Don't worry at all. I'll add all these commands in the video description too. After entering command, press Enter key. Windows will automatically enable WSL, install required components, and prepare your system. Now Windows starts downloading Ubuntu from Microsoft's official repository. No shady tools, no ISO files, nothing complicated. This is the safest possible way to get Ubuntu. When the installation finishes, Ubuntu will launch in a black terminal window. You'll be asked to set a username and password. Don't overthink it. This is just for Ubuntu, not your Windows login. Alright, here's how you can access Ubuntu on your Windows system. I'll close these terminals first, and then show you the entire process step by step in the easiest way. Go to the search bar, type WSL, and open it. Alright, now let's check if Ubuntu is actually installed. To confirm, we'll try opening Vim, a very popular editor used across Linux distros. Yes, as you can see, the Vim editor has opened and is ready to use. Alright, now let's try something simple. Let's open the calculator in Ubuntu. As you can see, we're now actually running the Linux calculator right inside Windows. Alright, now let's try opening the Ubuntu file manager directly in Windows. Yep, we're now using Ubuntu's Nautilus file manager directly on our Windows system. And here's the magic trick most people don't know. Open File Explorer and type this in the address bar. Boom! Full access to Ubuntu's Linux file system inside Windows. You can drag, drop, edit, sync, anything. If this helped you, hit like. It tells YouTube this tutorial was worth showing to more people. Comment below. Should I make a video on WSL GUI apps? If enough of you ask, I'll release it next. And if you want to continue your Linux journey, watch the video on your screen right now. You'll love it.